Oh, Jay. Yeah? Need me to do the 5th bucket of Christmas video? I'll get right on that. Thanks. Alright, gotta make a bucket. Let's see what goodies we have. Let's see what we got here. Alright.
What are you doing?
Jay asked me to make the 5th bucket of Christmas.
And you're gonna use barbecue sauce?
Well, Lauren, that's just not any sauce. That's the sauce from a Columbus-based, fresh, never frozen, beloved burger chain.
Okay. Well, in marketing, we have a bunch of like actual tool stuff that I can just give you for the bucket if you'd rather do that instead of your prized possessions.
Oh, thank God, because I want to give away all my cool stuff. Like, I have a rubber band gun. Check this bad boy out.
Okay, come to my desk. I've got some stuff. Look, I've got a ton of stuff in my drawers. How about this? Something from Klein.
Ooh.
Or I've got this from Skill.
Wow.
This. Some tape. Here's some Ohio Power Tools stickers.
Wonderful.
And then some Champion bits. Ohio Power Tool and Milwaukee hats. Whatever that is.
That is a light.
Oh.
Rechargeable, actually.
Some spider bits.
Sweet.
I found more tape.
Just what we needed.
And I have 3 shirts. Oh. I'm keeping these. Some blades.
Blades.
You need more?
The bucket's kind of overflowing, but...
I got more. Oh my gosh. I'm keeping this too.
I don't think the people would want it.
Too bad.
It's kind of selfish.
How about they can have scissors and a USA-made Milwaukee screwdriver. What about this?
Ooh, a saw.
Yeah, let's do that
Love
too.
that.
That skill saw. I think I have one more little thing I can pull out of here. Here. Just do this too.
This will fit right in the bucket.
Yeah.
Cool, an igloo cooler.
Yeah.
Wow.
I think that's good.
It's quite the bucket we got going here. I guess it's a little bit better than barbecue sauce, but
Happy holidays.
happy holidays to you as well.